Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy Friday wherever you are around the world. Hope you all had a wonderful week and I hope you guys have a great weekend. But now you guys know what time it is. It is time for daily Pepe updates. We're going to be talking about a lot of things right now. There's a lot of things to cover about Pepe. So if you like these kind of updates and you are a holder of Pepe, you do want to watch this video till the absolute end. As always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price of Pepe to begin with, you guys can see it is currently sitting in front of 5 zeros still. And I'm sorry, there's still 5 zeros in front of the price. It's currently sitting at 138, up 4.4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also up 6% in Bitcoin and 4.6% in Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Rank is at the top 73 spot with a market cap of $575.2 million, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at 610 million. So more than yesterday, which we will definitely take. So a lot of things to cover right now. So you do want to keep tuned in and watch this till the absolute end. Right before we get into the charts of Pepe, you guys can see Bitcoin is on a downwards trend right now. We have gone below the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, and this is the first time ever since basically March 15th that we have seen the price retest that zone. We are seeing a little bit of support around this range, but if this does not hold, $25,000 Bitcoin is the next target we've been talking about on our channel for quite some time, and that can impact the entire market, and in the immediate short term it can also affect Pepe. But right now what we're seeing happen with Pepe is the opposite. Pepe is going up right now when Bitcoin is going towards the downside. You guys can see dominance is falling down, so that is causing altcoins to not bleed as hard right now, or else it would have been worse in my personal opinion. But now let's of course focus on Pepe and see if this potentially could be the start of the next leg up. A lot of people are panicking right now, and a lot of people did sell their Pepe, but could this be the time where we finally see the reversal? As you guys know, we're approaching the weekend, and on the weekends we did see last week Pepe really makes a massive gain. So could this be the starting point for the next leg up? That's what we're going to discuss. So looking at the holders, the holder count is decreasing a little bit, but very minor. We're still sitting above 100,000 holders, which is massive sign, because remember, when people take profits, shakeouts happen. This is part of the game. We're going to see a little bit of a shakeout happen in terms of the holders. But now what we're seeing happening with Pepe itself, that is very interesting, and I want to share that with you guys. And we could potentially be talking about whether or not we have seen the bottom really occur for the price of Pepe. So you guys can see market cap $575 million, and now let's zoom into the charts and see what exactly is happening right now. So just yesterday, if you watched my update, I did tell you guys that if we do not hold around this support line where we're finding ourselves face a resistance, because we went below that, and I said if we go below that, there's a chance of falling down to that 88 this zone, this 835 cents mark, and we were very close retesting that. We saw the price go all the way to that 990. So this is why it's very important for these support lines to hold. But right now we are seeing a green candle formation forming. But is this an exciting time? I will share as to what will make this exciting. So right now, let's go look back at yesterday and see if you did manage to pick some Pepe up around here. Let's say you had some buy orders placed in around here. You are already up 36%, guys. A 36% gain. That is very impressive, and potentially this could have been the bottom. Only way I can tell that if this was a bottom is if we break out of this level right here, this 1621 cents mark. If we break out of this, because we're going to face a little bit of resistance around here, if we break out of here, I would you would be very confident that we have seen the bottom, and we could potentially be seeing a reversal happening above $1 billion market valuation. So you guys can see that is still a move of about 25% further in order for us to get that type of confirmation. And remember, guys, there's going to be some people that are going to be selling, and there's going to be a lot of people that are going to be shaken out during this time. And that's just part of the cycle. A lot of people did get shaken out, the ones that did pick up a little later, and of course the ones that got in earlier and that were sitting at some massive life-changing gains, they did take profits, and you cannot get mad at them. Props to anyone that took profits on Pepe. That's part of the game, but of course there's going to be some some investors that are going to be flushed out, and we definitely have seen that happen. But right now I still have yet to see a confirmation for Pepe. But remember, the interest in Pepe is still there, guys. Literally everyone is still talking about Pepe. What's Pepe doing? What is the next target? Everyone wants a piece of pie, and there's a lot of big players, there's a lot of big names that I've been seeing that are accumulating Pepe. And guess what that does? That brings in a more interest, more eyes on Pepe than ever. And of course, being listed on all the big exchanges, tier 1 exchanges, Binance, DigiFinex, we're seeing OKX now, we're also seeing crypto.com, we're seeing Gemini, and who knows what is next. Which one is missing? The biggest one of them all, the one that is used as the biggest fiat gateway to come into cryptocurrencies, that is Coinbase. And I think that is going to happen sooner rather than later. And I've said this to you guys before, this correction was very much needed. A lot of people just thought that this is just going to keep going up and beat Shiba Inu right off the bat. No, that's not the case. Profits are going to be taken. People are going to sell the news when Binance listed it and all the other tier 1 exchanges listed it. Yes, people are going to take profits, and that's why we saw a very, very significant correction happen within the price. To be exact, we saw the price drop about 77%. But if you know how crypto works, guys, this is part of the game. But like I said, we are facing resistance now, exactly where we were prior last week. You guys can see this for yourself. Let's zoom in a little bit to give you guys a better understanding. So we were having a little bit of a hard time breaking out of this range, and of course on May 4th we finally broke out of this resistance, and you guys know what happened. And I am expecting something similar happen, but mainly we have to break that 1694 cents mark in order for us to really get that confirmation. And I really do believe $1 billion Pepe could be very near and possibly even be reached this weekend. And remember, the amount of interest on this project is insane, so it's not going to be hard for it to get pushed towards the upside. Remember, manipulation also is occurring. Of course, Bitcoin going down, that is impacting Pepe as well. And manipulating these kind of coins, whales can do that in a heartbeat. Okay, so they know how to manipulate coins, and of course futures trading, that causes massive manipulation. So we need to keep all those factors in mind. But right now, all eyes on that 16 cents mark. If we break out of there, guys, of course we can break that 2000 zone, and then I think then we really would be looking good for the price of Pepe. But of course, time is going to tell. Let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Pepe going. Remember, in the previous time, we did see where we're sitting at. We did see a little bit of rejections happen, 2 different rejections before the third time we finally broke out. So potentially could see something similar play out. But of course, if we break out of here, that would be a great sign. But let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Pepe going, and what is your strategy right now? Are you guys picking more Pepe? Let me know down below. I love you all. See you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.